Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're thrilled to have you here again. Get ready for more exciting content. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell. Let's dive in together. The Asphalt Distributor Truck is a specialized vehicle used for spraying and evenly spreading asphalt onto road surfaces. This process is typically employed in new construction, resurfacing, and maintenance of roads. These trucks are equipped with asphalt spraying systems and aggregate spreading systems to ensure the efficient and uniform distribution of asphalt and aggregate on road surfaces. These systems are often controlled by computers or manually adjusted to meet specific job requirements. Utilizing asphalt distributor trucks enhances the durability and quality of road surfaces while minimizing wear and tear caused by weather and traffic. This helps prolong the lifespan of roads and reduces future maintenance costs. Here is the working scene for paving asphalt on a wide area. On the screen, you can see asphalt distributor trucks, rollers, and diligent workers actively engaged in their tasks. The combination of multiple tractor units has created this unbelievable scene. Just look at how they've engineered a convoy to tow that gigantic object, creating a spectacle with 32 wheels. It's truly remarkable. Once again, it's the collaboration between trucks, rollers, graders, and asphalt pavers. They're swiftly completing the road to meet the deadline. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more. See you in the next video.